Morning fellas, well it's the Tuesday after Easter and it's stupid o'clock, i.e. 3 a.m. in the morning. Just heading off for a annual Sika trip to Spot X. Excuse the mess, just coming out at the moment to check the man cave. They haven't left the most important bits. Yeah, no, she looks like I've got everything. I've got over here rifle, pack, boots, kite. So that's about everything we need. Well, everything I need. I'm bound to leave something behind anyway, so I never stress too much about it. So we're off over to the Hawke's Bay, over to the Kawekas. So heard a few reports on the net that they're roaring quite well at the moment, so we'll just have to wait and see. Mate Tomo's should be turning up any minute soon, and then we'll be hitting the road and squealing Japs, here we come. See you then. Morning all. Well, I left Whanganui this morning at Sparrow's Fart about 4 o'clock in the morning, and it was fine weather. When we get over here to the Kawekas just on daybreak, and it's pissing down with rain, so yeah, but in saying that, looks like there's a hint of blue sky up there. Just but started off well. Got out of the truck and gave a couple of roars on near the car park, and had one responding to me way down in the gully, but he was safe there. We weren't going to go after him. He was in the opposite direction of where we were going. So we're just bush bashing up the ridge. It's been a bit of a mission because there's no water up where we're camping, so we're carrying up 20 litres of water. She's a bloody ball breaker, and not to mention the grounds are slippery as hell. Anyway, Tomo's carried on up with the water, so it must be about my turn, so I'll keep on going. Well, the consensus says the camp from last year isn't going to do, so we're going to boost it up there, see if we can find a more sheltered spot we remember from last year. But sign's looking good. We went up there just for a look and it was fresh as sign, like minutes old. Wouldn't be surprised if we spooked it. So there'll be rifles at the ready soon. Wanted to go a bit higher up the ridge, but pretty fucked now, so we'll have a sit down and have a think about it. This has been awesome. We've just set up camp and there's been 2 Sika stags roaring. One over there and one down there. One after the other, so I'm going to give them a buzz. They're just a territory call, but we'll see if they'll answer a single call. Oh well, no replies yet, but the good news is that where they were roaring from, we were here last year and found a few good wallows. It's after Easter at the moment, so we were a bit worried that, you know, everywhere in the Kawekas is like Queen Street in Auckland over Easter, so we thought, oh well, heaps of people might have been in and shot all stags, but 2 replying at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, fingers crossed, there's still a couple of goodies left. Well, an eventful bloody morning. Went for a hunt fairly bright and early because they were roaring their guts out around the camp, around tent. We could hear them going and keeping us awake in the night, so we're up fairly early. And then yeah, this one was answering my roars and we snuck in as close as we could, and then he came out onto a bit of a pan amongst some scrub, pulled the trigger and he fell over, poleaxed. We thought that was easy, left all our bits and pieces, went over to look for him, and hello, couldn't find him anywhere. But eventually found him. It's a nice little late pointer. Oh, here I am walking and missing the track. So there's no hero shots of boasting of carrying it back to camp hole, because we've just left them there and we'll go back with an empty pack, go home, have a bit of a feed, cup of coffee, and we'll go back with our packs and bone them out. We're going to have to bone them out to carry them out when we go home anyway, so no point in carrying that rest of that stuff rubbish out. So yeah, too much. See you later. Well, it's been harder than I thought finding this bloody thing, but I think we've found it. Well, we'll see. If not, you won't see this part of the video. It's pretty scrappy coming down there, and I'm pretty sure that's some blood, so hopefully. Just waiting for Tomo to get down here, because it's always handy to look with two people than one. But fingers crossed. We've actually been searching longer than we hoped to, but once you get over into this bloody waist-high scrub stuff, they can be anywhere. You recording?
Yeah. What a mission.
This will be the guy, will be no fancy photos.
Here he is.
In the shit. He's going to have the last laugh on us. Oh, you hold it. Fucking hell.
He's got books on top.
Hey, this is his rock. Who's carrying him out of here? I did think about just jumping down on him and cutting his throat, but
You could have carried on back down the chute even more.
it's been fucking funny having a wrestling match on video. Oh, you made us fucking work. Why didn't you just stay where you fell over, you fucking mongrel?
He's a solid bugger.
Oh, he's a little late. Hey, mate, point at Tomo.
Cool.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Ripper.
A little short on the tines department. I thought he was.
Little scrubber head.
Yeah.
Got good forks.
Yeah. Goes to show there was no blood coming anywhere down the chute except for that bit that I filmed earlier. And got all this weight.
Pushing his way down here, eh?
Just when he would have heard us coming over, he would have been not quite finished. Heard us coming over and giving his last kicks of life. Can you see anywhere decent to gut and dress this fella?
Oh, just up in here is a bit of a flat pit. More flatter than what it is here.
Right, now the fun part. Sorry if you didn't like blood and gore, but you got to hunt smart. And there's no point carrying the whole animal out if you can get a pack to it. You've seen we've still taken all 4 legs, back steaks, eye fillets. So the only thing we've left behind is the rib cage and the backbone. So there's no meat on that. So and shot him through the neck, so the neck's wasted. So yeah, hunt smarter, not harder. See you soon. Well, we made it back to the truck. It's been a hell of a bloody mission out. It's been up and had a few downs, but a hell of a few bloody ups to get back here. Still back at the truck. 8-pointer on board. Been a little bit shagged. KFC and bloody Napier is sounding bloody good. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.